Hi, viewers, today topic is skin problems of cat. Before this topic, subscribe to my channel. The state of your feline's skin means that her general well-being. At the point when a skin issue happens, your feline might answer with unnecessary scratching, biting as well as licking. A large number of makes, from outer parasites and sensitivities, occasional changes and stress, or a blend of these, might be influencing your feline's skin and ought to be examined. Skin issues are perhaps of the most well-known reason pet guardians look for veterinary consideration. Side effects of skin problems in cats: consistent scratching, licking and gnawing at the skin, particularly around the head and neck. Scabs, redness or aggravation, round, flaky patches on the face and paws, dry, flaky or generally disturbed skin, balding, bare patches, hairballs, rashes, swellings, protuberances or skin staining, seepage of blood or discharge. One of the next might be causing an irregularity with your feline's skin and ought to be explored. Ringworm, this profoundly infectious contagious contamination can bring about aggravation, layered patches and balding. Injuries are most regularly seen on the head, ears and paws, yet at times no signs are seen. You'll need to have your veterinarian treat it promptly to forestall different pets and individuals in the family from becoming contaminated. Bugs, not just do insects bother the skin, felines can have a hypersensitive reaction when presented to them. Side effects generally incorporate unnecessary scratching, diminishing of hair over the foundation of the tail, outsides and raised skin sores. A few felines may likewise be delicate to bug treatment items. Certain insect restraints, for instance, may cause redness and bothering around the neck. Other outside parasites, ear vermin as a rule cause tingling and redness around the ears, and a dim, espresso ground-like material should be visible in the ear trenches. Lice can create extreme tingling, and mange parasites can cause serious chipping and scaling. Sensitivities to pollen: your feline's consistent scratching might be because of her aversion to normal allergens from trees, form and grasses. Food sensitivities: many food varieties, like hamburger, milk, poultry and corn, fillers and colorings should be visible as unfamiliar by your feline's safe framework and can prompt tingling and rashes. Preparing items: certain shampoos and prepping items can aggravate your feline's skin. Occasional changes: many felines, similar to individuals, get dry, flaky skin in the colder time of year. Ecological variables: contact with specific synthetics or textures can cause skin bothering, as can openness to the sun or over-the-top virus. Bacterial or yeast contaminations: these diseases most generally follow the beginning of another skin issue. Cancers: an assortment of harmless and dangerous skin developments can foster in felines. Stress, anxiety might make felines unnecessarily lick and bite, causing going bald. You ought to visit your vet for a test when you notice any irregularity in your pet's skin, like unreasonable going bald, chipping and scaling, redness and uncovered patches, or then again if your pet starts to unnecessarily scratch, lick as well as nibble regions on his fur. Subsequent to getting a set of experiences and carrying out a careful actual assessment of your feline, your vet might play out a portion of the accompanying demonstrative tests to track down the reason for your feline's side effects. Skin scratching with discoveries assessed under a magnifying lens to check for bugs. Tape test to check for parasites. Individual hair assessment under a magnifying instrument. Bacterial culture and awareness tests. Skin biopsy. Food and other sensitivity testing. Blood tests to evaluate your feline's general well-being. Infinitesimal assessment of cells to lay out assuming that microorganisms or yeast are available. Which cats are prone to skin problems? As a result of the wide scopes of causes, felines of any age and breeds are vulnerable to issues including skin. Youthful, old, immunocompromised and felines living in stuffed, unpleasant conditions might be more helpless to skin issues than others. To prevent skin problems, utilize normal, hypoallergenic cleansers and shampoos suggested for use on felines. Brush your feline routinely to forestall matting of hair. Feed your feline a solid, adjusted food without fillers or counterfeit fixings. Execute an insect treatment program suggested by your veterinarian. Completely spotless and vacuum your home, and make sure to continuously discard the pack. Give quiet day-to-day environments to your feline. Your vet might recommend skin creams as well as oral prescriptions to forestall skin issues. To treat skin problems, get some information about the accompanying medicines. Effective items, including shampoos, plunges and splashes, to forestall and treat parasites. A fair eating routine to assist with keeping up with solid skin and coat. Antimicrobial or antifungal prescriptions. A dietary enhancement containing fundamental unsaturated fats. Corticosteroids and allergy meds might be recommended to control tingling. Hypoallergenic diet for food sensitivities.